Writing scholarship essays doesn't have to feel overwhelming. A few small changes can make a big difference. Tip number 1, read the prompt very carefully and make sure you respond to every part of the question. Try making a quick essay outline before you start writing to keep you on track. Tip number 2, share your story. Scholarship committees just want to hear what makes you unique. So use real-world experiences and let your personality shine through. Tip number 3, proofread before you submit. Typos and grammar errors can distract from the story that you're trying to tell. Ask a teacher, a family member, or a friend to get a second set of eyes on your work. Put these tips to work, and you'll be one step closer to hitting your scholarship goal. I'll see you next month with a new Scholarship Minute.